Familiarize yourself with the 2013 Volkswagen Jetta. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 35,000 kilometers. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include heated front seats, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Volkswagen ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.